Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be preparing a special stir-fried chicken spaghetti. As we all know, Valentine is around the corner and we might be thinking of that special recipe to cook for Bobo or for your man. This stir-fried spaghetti could just be it. Moreover, it is fast and easier to cook. So let's head on straight to prepare our meal. But before that, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't, please like and subscribe to my channel. So now let's head on straight to start our cooking. For today's recipe, I will be using striped cut carrots together with spring onions and green bell pepper, and I will also be using diced chicken. This chicken is already fried and boiled. In case you would like to see the video on how I boiled my chicken, you can please comment below so I can show you how I did that. And also for the spices, I'll be using my mixed garlic and ginger powder together with my chili powder to make the spaghetti a little bit spicy. Here I have the diced onions, the salt, and the seasoning cubes. The chicken stock, which is an extract from the chicken that I boiled earlier on. The striped cut yellow bell pepper together with the red bell pepper. And I will also be using tomato puree together with the hot pepper powder. And the reason why I'm using this hot pepper powder is to make the spag a little bit peppery. And finally, our pasta. So let's get started with our cooking. I will start by adding pasta into the boiling water in a pot. You can decide to break your pasta into two or drop it in as a whole. Then add some salt and some oil into the spag so the spag won't come out sticky. Then I'll cover to boil for about 5 minutes while we can proceed to fry our veggies. So I have in the pan the leftover oil I used to fry the chicken. So how we start by adding the onions into the heated oil, then add the carrots and stir to fry. After frying, I will add the green bell pepper and spring onions, which I will also go ahead to stir and fry. So after frying for a while, I will go ahead to add the yellow and the red bell pepper and also add some salt and seasoning cubes. And after this, I'm going to stir fry until it is soft. Once I am done frying the veggies, I am going to set it aside and proceed to check in on our spag. Now that the spag is almost done, I will go ahead and sieve it while it's still firm and also add some amount of cold water to the spag to make it non-sticky. Then I will set it aside and proceed to fry the sauce. For the sauce, I will start by frying the tomato puree together with the diced onions. I am using the leftover oil that I used in frying the veggies to fry the puree and the diced onions. So I am going to keep stirring these until well fried. So how we add the hot pepper powder together with the chili powder and mix with the chicken stock, and I am going to stir to fry. At this point, I'll be adding the fried chicken and also add salt to the sauce and fry. Then I am going to keep on frying this until it is well fried. Now I am going to add the fried veggies into the sauce and also add the mixed ginger and garlic powder and stir fry it. I'm going to make sure I stir it very well so it can mix properly with the sauce. At this point, I am going to add the spark to the veggies and stir until it is well mixed. Once I am done stirring it, I am going to cover and leave for about 3 minutes to steam. You can see how well it is looking. Oh my god, I am already salivating at this point. It is just looking so yummy. So here, the spag is ready and I just can't wait to consume this. And now, this is how it is looking after being served in a plate. And I am going to download this with a chilled zobo. In case you would like to see how to make a healthy, nutritious zobo, you can please leave a comment below to show you how to do that. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching and staying with me. See you all in my next video. Bye.